Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Diwali Festival of Lights, Sweets and Happiness begins. Narkasur effigies all over the state attract crowd in thousands on Tuesday night. It's time to celebrate. Brar's statement on Congress tickets creates confusion among party loyalists. They say Karyakartas will not entertain ticket to newcomers. Some to decide future course of action if ticket is denied. Teaching and non-teaching staff of Chogale meet CM with their grievance. Staff appeals not to close the higher secondary section. And Anik Naik's Ranchi Gold, a truly remarkable achievement. Navali teenager competed directly on a synthetic track after practicing on turf in Goa. Now the news in detail. Akash Divo, Pontyo, sweets, gifts and many more. Yes, it's Diwali, Festival of Lights. Enthusiastic shoppers thronged markets to buy everything from crackers to household items and even gold and silver. Narkasur in the state attracted many on Tuesday evening. Killing of Narkasur marks the beginning of Festival of Lights, Diwali.
Earlier this day, markets were seen full with enthusiastic shoppers. Here are glimpses of the capital city market on the eve of Diwali.
सध्या मी पणजेच्या बाजारांत दिवाळीचो बाजार हांगसर कचकचीत भरला. हांगसर तुमकां पळोवपाक मेळटल्यो वेगवेगळे प्रकारचे पणट्यो येयले आनी नवे म्हणजे हांगसर चिनी मातयेच्यो पणट्यो येयले.
आमी बेळगांवच्यान हाडटा. ही आतां 50 रुपया एक विकता आमी, 100 रुपया जोडी.
लोक सध्या प्रेजेंटेशनाक खूप महत्व दितात. त्यात वेगवेगळे तरेचे पॅकिंग्स बाजारात सध्या उपलब्ध आसा. त्या भायर लोक मिठाये बदला आता ड्राय फ्रुट्सांक चड महत्व दिवपाक लागला. सोनबाब तुमचे कडेन दोन्ही प्रकारचे आहा, ड्राय फ्रुट्स आनी मिठाई. सो खंयचे का चड गिरायक आहा?
ड्रायफ्रुटाक मातसो वालोर बरो आहा. ड्रायफ्रूट मातसो बरो वयता. न्हू ड्रायफ्रुटाक मातशें रिस्पॉन्स बरो मेळटा. लोकांक
आतां जाता इतले रेडीमेड माल तयार जाय आसता आनी प्रोड्युसरूय लोकांची गरज पूर्ण करपा खातीर जाता इतलो रेडीमेड माल बाजारात हाडपाचो प्रयत्न करतात आनी नरकासूरूय हातूंतल्यान सुटूना. आतां रेडीमेड नरकासूर बाजारांत सध्या उपलब्ध आहा. गुरदास बाबा, रेडीमेड नरकासूर तुमी हाडल्या पळय न्हू, ताका कितलो डिमांड आसता?
डिमांड म्हणजे आतां आवयपाक पावना म्हणून भुरग्यांक ते हें करपाक भुरग्यांचो सामको डिमांड आहा चड आनी खास ते भुरग्यां खातीर केल्ले आहा धाकटे.
प्लास्टिक और कागज का भी अवेलेबल है, तो किसको डिमांड ज़्यादा है?
अभी देखेगा तो इसका डिमांड ज़्यादा है. वो कागज़ का फूल है ना, ज़्यादा दिन चलता है, उसको भी थोड़ा इससे भी ज़्यादा डिमांड है. इसको डिमांड है.
मार्केटात कागदाचे आणि प्लास्टिकचे दोन तरांचे आकाशकंदील सध्या पळोवपाक उपलब्ध आसात. नरकासुराक मारून दिवाळी मनोवपाक गोंयकार दिवे आणि आकाशकंदील लावन सज्ज आसात. व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओमकार पारी वांगडा हांव लौकीक शिलकार, प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर.
Jagmeet Singh Brar's interview with Prudent media on assembly tickets has sent shock waves across the Congress party cadre. Some of the loyal congressmen fear rebellion within the party if genuine workers are denied ticket, whereas some say they will decide their future course of action if ticket is denied to them.
Congress Goa desk in charge Jagmeet Singh Brar in an interview with Prudent had hinted that Congress is likely to give tickets to imported BJP MLAs during forthcoming assembly election. Brar has said that MLA-ship is not the only thing congressmen should eye for.
Babi and Samal are both very committed and dedicated congressmen. So we will take into consideration, but one thing is very clear, that it is not only the MLA-ship, which is there. There are so many positions in the party. So if at some given point of time, if there is a chance that we have to sacrifice in a manner where there is some commitment of the Chief Minister or the PCC President, then we will see that how our person is placed and pitched at a position where Congress is not undermined.
This statement of Brar has sent shock waves across the party cadre of the Congress.
बायलान मनशान हाडून ताका कॅन्डिडेट करप हें आमचे पार्टीक शोभना. But at least for myself, I know one thing for sure, that person who has the secular ideology of the Congress and who has gone ahead with it, suddenly जर बायलान कोणाक हाडिल्लो जाल्यार मनीस काम करता तो उगी रावंक शकना. And that may create disunity. That may create a rebellion.
Spokesperson of Goa Pradesh Congress Committee Vijay Sardesai feels that tickets to imported BJP men can create rebellion within the party fold. Naresh Sawal is hoping that party will not do any injustice to him.
तिकेट दितलो म्हणजे ताणें सांगलें न्ही, म्हणजे अन्याय जावचो ना हेचो अर्थ तिकेट मेळटली अशें म्हणूं येता.
Naresh Sawal and Babi Bakar both have claimed the Congress tickets in Bicholi and Mandre. Babi Bakar says he will go according to the wishes of his supporters if the ticket is denied to him.
म्हजें इंटेंशन एकूच आसा की म्हाका ही तिकीट घेवची, जिखतलो नक्कीच आनी म्हज्या त्या भागाचो विकास करतलो ही म्हाका एक इच्छा आसा आनी म्हाका मेळटली खात्री आसा. तो प्रसंग येतलो असो म्हाका तरी आतां दिसना. आनी प्रसंग आयलो तर त्या वेळी जे म्हजे कार्यकर्ते कितें आसा ते तेंचेर अवलंबून आसतलें सगळें.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.